What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and today's video is going to be a trick on how to get the weed smell out of video game cases. So this will work for anything, but more specifically video game cases, because I've come to find, buying from people on Facebook or eBay, some people smoke. You do your thing, I don't smoke, but some of these things smell like gas, so I'm going to show you guys how to get the smell out of them. But before I show you, today is July 5th. I just want to thank everybody for helping me be monetized. Now, let's get into it. So guys, for this, I'm going to be using this game. Some background to this game, I found a PS2 bundle online because I needed a PS2 to test my controllers. This was one of the games that came with it. It was this, 3 games, 2 off-brand PS2 controllers in the system. I offered $70 for shipping, he took it. This game's worth about $25 on its own. You know, great lot I picked up, but it does smell interesting to say the least. So all you're gonna need for this is some kind of dryer sheets and a Ziploc bag if the smell is really bad. The smell on this isn't too bad, but I'm just gonna show you guys what to do if it's really bad, and you're gonna need this. So first, you wanna open it up. You're gonna take one dryer sheet, just put it inside the case like this. Close it up. That'll help get rid of the smell on the inside. But you're gonna smell some smells from basically the whole thing. Depending on how much the person smoked, once again, I'm not gonna judge you if you smoke. I'm not gonna judge you any of that. But not everyone wants a game that smells like gas. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick it inside a Ziploc bag like this. Take 1 or 2 more dryer sheets. Like I said, if it's really bad, you're gonna wanna take 2. Then you're going to put one on top, put one on bottom, seal the bag, get all the air out of it, and just let that sit. It's that easy. So you can do the same thing with clothes, but clothes will take a lot longer. You let this sit for a couple hours. I typically let it sit for about a day, 24 or so hours. Just throw it in a drawer right here. Let it sit, and then in about 24 hours max, the smell's gonna be gone. It's gonna smell like laundry. It's gonna smell fresh. And 90% of the time, people would rather it smell like laundry than it smell like weed. But anyways, guys, that's basically it for the video. Thank you for helping me be monetized. Keep flipping.